What are you waiting for? Check your calendar now and book for us. Evelyn and Jeton's Catering Services. Sa handaan, laging bida ang lasa. So what are you waiting for? Check your calendar now. Tsaka guys, tingnan mo guys, skirting pa lang, nakadaya mo na yan. See? Lahat yan ay ito po ang menu. Shanghai chicken teriyaki, the most requested one. Sarap. Roasted beef. Napakasarap. Amoy pa lang. Excited na. Calderita. Napakasarap. Subukan mo guys. And then, the trending one, mixed seafoods. Sarap talaga. Marami ng artista nakatikim nito. Subukan nyo. Check nyo na your calendar. Fried chicken. Ito yung fried chicken na abot buto ang lasa. Sarap. Rice. Rice. Spaghetti. Napaka-creamy. Daming daming. Kita mo guys, 7th birthday po ito, budgeted client, but and then sa sit up pa lang mapapawaw ka na. Subukan mo. Check your calendar now. Evelyn and Jeton's Catering po yan. Libre na ang clown, libre na ang magician. So what are you waiting for? Sa sit up pa lang guys, mapapawaw ka na. Sa skirting, diamond pa yan. See? Kaya sa mga may handaan dyan, check your calendar and book for us. Evelyn and Jeton's Catering Services. 0917-117-6678. Akala guys na mga dumadaan ay kasal. Pero simple lang yan guys, yung aming sit up. Simple pa lang yan. Pero sa kanila bongga na yan. Simple pa lang yan. Tent lang po yan ang tent. Tent lang po yan ang venue. Sa harap lang bahay nila.
Jesse!
JJ. Evelyn and Jeton's Catering Services po. Libre ang clown, libre ang magician. So what are you waiting for? Check your calendar now and book for us. Diba? Saan ka pa? Libre na ang sit up, libre na ang decor, libre pa ang clown, libre pa ang magician. Check your calendar now. Evelyn and Jeton's Catering Services.